Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install brackets on Windows. To install brackets, go to a browser and type brackets download, press enter. Click on the first link. So this is the official page of brackets, brackets.io. Close this. Here click on other downloads. So this opens up the GitHub page of brackets. Here on the latest version, which is 2.2.1, click on the exe for it to download. So now you can see that the exe is getting downloaded. It is around 86 MB. Wait for the download to complete. Okay, so now the download is complete. So now we need to install it. Click on the folders icon. So this opens up the exe in Windows Explorer. Double click on the exe to install. Here click on I agree the license terms and conditions and click on next. Click on typical. Give yes if you get a security prompt. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. Okay, so now the installation is completed. Click on finish. So this is how we need to install brackets. Next, we need to launch it. To launch brackets, you can launch it from start menu, or you can launch it from the command prompt, or you can launch it via the context menu. So now let us see how to launch it via context menu. For this, click on a folder. You can create a folder. Right click on it. Click on show more options. Here click on open as brackets project. So this opens up the folder in the brackets editor, and we can see that the brackets has been launched. So these are the steps we need to follow to download and install brackets on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide, the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.